Now for the favorite candy of all psychic wonderkind, PSI Caramels. They're built on a base of apples. I'm using Fiji, but Granny Smith's would be even better. Use anything but Red Delicious. Red Delicious apples taste like poo. The excrement, not the magical prince. Peel them, core them, and quarter them. Then toss them with a little bit of lemon juice so they don't go brown on you while you dispatch the rest. Put all your apples in a big pot and add some hard apple cider. You can use apple juice or apple soda or even water if you prefer. Bring it to a boil, cover, and turn down the heat and cook until the apples are super soft. Takes about half an hour on my stove with Fuji apples. It might be quicker on your stove or longer. Don't worry, you really can't overdo it. When they are done, strain them out of the liquid, but don't throw away the liquid, and pulverize them. I'm using my food mill, but you can use a blender, a food processor, or even a potato masher. It should look like, well, applesauce. Cool. Before you do anything else, grease a loaf pan and line it in parchment. Then you can add your apple mush back to the pot. Add sugar, a little lemon juice. You only need a tablespoon, but I like making my caramels a little bit more sour, so I'm using a quarter cup. And a little bit of brandy. You can leave that out if you want to, but don't leave out the salt. That's good. Now you're going to cook your mush for about 40 minutes. Don't walk away. There's tons of sugar, and sugar burns easy. Keep stirring and be careful. If this stuff splatters on you, it burns. Keep cooking the liquid out until it tightens up considerably. When you're done, it should kind of stand on its own and look like a super thick marmalade. Carefully dump your candy into the prepped loaf pan and spread it into an even layer. Let it come to room temp and then refrigerate it overnight. Come morning, you can remove it from the pan and slice it up using a pizza cutter. Makes quick work of it. Nice! Keep these in a container in the fridge. They're good alone or with some crackers and cheese. They also spread really good on toast. Or, seconds before serving, you can toss them in some colored sugar. You can use regular sugar, but I'm using primary colors because, you know, protagonist aesthetics. Sweet, sour, chewy, tasty, PSI Caramels! Totally yummy! If you're looking for more mother treats, check out this playlist. It's one of my favorite series to cook from. In the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss a recipe. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!